Hi everybody, happy Thanksgiving. We just wanted to say thank you to everyone who subscribed to us. We really appreciate it and we're really thankful for you guys.
We also wanted to share with you our very favorite Thanksgiving treat, pumpkin pie.
Happy Thanksgiving! Now here's Bunkie for the pumpkin pie recipe.
I know it's been a while. You probably missed my cooking. But today, I'm making our pumpkin pie recipe. Right now, I have a pumpkin in our Instant Pot. I cut it in half, and now I have it on pressure cook for 10 minutes. We will need 2 cups of the pumpkin when it's done. But the other ingredients are eggs, brown sugar, white sugar, salt, cinnamon, ground ginger, nutmeg, cloves, ground cardamom, lemon zest, heavy cream or evaporated milk, and pie crust. I don't have heavy cream today, so I'm using evaporated milk. And now my least favorite part, scary, but so worth it. I wasn't confident enough I could do this all by myself, so I asked my big sister, KK, to help me. I can put the ingredients in, but she needs to pour it in the pie thing.
So this is our pie shell that we got from the store. We got this and it came with 2 pie shells, but for this recipe we only need 1, so the other one's hanging out in our freezer.
The other crust is probably going to be used for the sweet potato pie. If you want the recipe, tell me. So now we do the fill-in.
First we're going to put our egg yolk with our eggs and mix them until they're even.
Now we put the brown sugar. And then the white sugar. And then the salt. And all of the spices. Now you put the pumpkin away. And that was the 2 cups. Looking good. Add 1.5 cups of heavy cream or evaporated milk.
You're just going to want to make sure you mix this really well. And we're just going to put it into our shell.
Be careful. It looks when it's not cooked, but it's done.
Yeah, but he's not here. He's here, but he's not here.
We had the oven heating in 425. We're gonna cook it for 45 minutes. Be careful, pie fill-in obeys Newton's first law of motion. We use foil to keep the crust from burning and catch grip. After 45 minutes, check to see if it's done. So it's all done. Look at that. Don't forget about the whipped cream.
Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.